What's up, guys? Will H, and today I want to talk about my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. After having this a little bit over a month, I've been seeing reports of people having issues with paint chipping, different other things going on with their device. So I wanted to take a look at mine and let you guys see that my device is still in perfect condition here, nearly mint condition. I would say mint condition. I don't have any paint chips or anything weird going on with the device at all. Still like brand new out of the box. No scratches on the display. Now I keep my phone in a case half the time, I would say, because I'm at home a lot, and when I'm at home I take it out of the case, and I like the feel of it. Now I am thinking about getting a skin for the back of it to protect it, give it a little more grip, because the device is real slippery without a case. Most of the time, if I'm going out, I'm using the Poetic Revolution case. Has hand protection, and it also has a front piece that has a built-in screen protector. And I even had this down by the ocean the past weekend, and using it, taking pictures and things like that. And I didn't fear getting sand or anything in it. Didn't actually take it in the water, but uh, particles, dust particles, and stuff like that flying around. I didn't have any issues with anything, but yeah, my screen is looking good all the way around my device. It's still in pristine condition, no paint chips, and I don't have a screen protector on the front of it, so everything's still working good. The buttons are nice, tactile, and clicky. The inner display, I don't have anything peeling up from the corners or anything. Still in great condition. Now, I will say that the crease seems more visible now. I think it's increased a little bit, the dip in it. It's a little bit more than when I first got the device, but it's nothing terrible, especially if you're in something like looking at an article or something like that. You're definitely not even going to see that there. Let's go ahead and open up the Samsung page here. You're not going to be concentrating on that. You're not going to see it. If you turn it to a certain angle, or if you go run your finger across there, you'll feel it, and it has increased since I got the device. In my opinion, it's a little bit more prevalent right there. But another thing, my device doesn't open completely flat. Does have a little bit of a curve in it right there. It's not completely flat open, but that was like that from day one. So, but otherwise, my device has held up well, no scratches, and but I'm the one that's going to try to baby my device as well. I don't know if I think it slid off the couch one time and hit the floor, but nothing chipped or no paint chipped off of it or any weird things happening to it. Just seen reports that some people are having paint chips and uh, things like that. So if you pick this device up, let me know how yours is holding up. Mine's still looking pristine. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.